Hi, first grade. Miss Gansko here for another day of Number Corner. We will start with our date today. Let's say it together. Today is Wednesday, that wonderful Wednesday, April 22nd, 2020. Now, while we think what is behind our card that says 22, I will write the date down, but looking over here at our observation chart, do you think we will have equal parts that we can fold our shape into? Or do you think our shape will be symmetrical? Go ahead and make that prediction based on what you see patterns on our chart. All right, first grade, let's get that drum roll in, drum roll. And we have how many sides on our shape? We do have a four-sided shape, and here is my four-sided shape. If I turn our shape, it does just look like a regular square, but they just turned it on its sides, on the edges. So we know that a four-sided shape is called a quadrilateral. So let's go ahead and copy down quadrilateral. And looking at our shape here, can we fold it into equal parts? Let's do top to bottom here first. And I do have two congruent parts if I fold it into exactly two. Let's see if we can go one more fold. Let's go side to side. And here we have exactly four equal parts. So we know that our quadrilateral here can be folded into at least four equal parts. And I can always go to our side to side instead of corner to corner. And I have there, and I can go from another side to side. So here, when I folded this 4 times, I have now 8 equal parts. 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, 8/8, or 1 whole. So we can record on our observation chart that our quadrilateral today can be folded into at least 4 equal parts. Now, knowing this, if we fold it to our top to front, do we have an exact mirror shape? Do we have a line of symmetry? Is our shape symmetrical? Just like a butterfly. Same on top, same on bottom. And yes, our quadrilateral is symmetrical. So we'll go ahead and put a yes there. And first grade, we need to continue on collecting our X's for how many days we've been in school. Let's start off by counting by 25s with our smaller squares within our 100. We have 25, 50, 75, 100, 125, and continue on with 5s, 130, 135, 140, 145, 146, 147, and we need to add one more for today, 148. We've been in school for 148. Let's go and track that down on our board. We do need to change our 7 to an 8 to make it say 148. So I'll go ahead and erase that. You make sure to write it down on your piece of paper that we've been in school for 148 days. Now with our picture over here, we have 10 tens for 100. we have 4 tens for 40, and we had 7 ones for our 7, but we need to add, yes, that's correct, we need to add one more ones there for it to say 8. So I'm drawing that in. Now it says 148. Let's look at our expanded notation number sentence. And here it equals 147. We know that these match our picture for place value. 100 plus 40 plus 7. Well, it's not 7 anymore. We added one more for today. So we need to erase and make it an 8. It's the same as 148. And for our subtraction number sentence, we're looking at the difference between 150 to get to 148. So let's go back to our x's chart. And what is our difference? How many do we have between 148 and 150 here at the top? That is correct. We would only need 2 more days to get to 150. So on our chart for our number sentence, we need to take away, there is a difference of 2 equals 148. Only 2 more days, first grade, to 150 days of learning. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. So we have our 2 number sentences here. I would like to see your own number sentence that you would share with your teacher or me. Make sure to send it. I would like to see different ones. And to our popsicle stick chart, we have collected 8 popsicle sticks. Let's go ahead and spin for today. Drum roll, first grade. We're adding 5 more popsicle sticks. So let's go ahead and erase our number sentence. And we need to make sure that we have 8 written down. And then we will add our 5 more popsicle sticks that we spun today. So let's count them out. Make sure to write your tallies on your paper to hand in. We have 1, there's 4. So the next one we're going to close the door. 2, and let's rotate it. 3, 4, 5. Now we can finish our number sentence by saying plus 5 equals, and how many popsicle sticks, first grade, have we collected? That's right, we've collected 13. Let's count them together. Remember, when we've closed the door, that stands for 5. So let's count by 5s for those groups. 5, 10, now we'll count by 1s. 11, 12, 13. So I will write down 13 here. Make sure to write that number sentence down on your paper. Over here, let's bring out our number rack. We did start with 8, so if I used one finger to slide over the top, I have 8. And I'm adding 5 more. So I can also, just with one finger, push over 5. And here, I see it's so similar to our tally marks. 5 and 5 is 10, and add 3 more. 11, 12, 13. So we've collected 13 popsicle sticks already for week 3. You have done such a great job, first grade, for our number corner today. I will see you guys tomorrow. Make sure to hand in and take a photo of your work that you've worked so hard during number corner today. Bye, first grade.